Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete guide on how to use Hostinger, from signing up to setting up your website in just a few minutes. Whether you're launching a personal blog, portfolio, or a full e-commerce site, this step-by-step guide will make the process super easy. So stick with me till the end, because by then, you'll be ready to manage your own website like a pro. Getting started on Hostinger, first things first. Open your browser and go to w.hostinger.com. Once you're there, click the login button at the top right. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, hit create an account and you can sign up easily using your email, Google, or even Facebook. After you log in, you'll enter something called the H panel. This is Hostinger's main dashboard. Think of it as your control center where you can manage everything, from your domains and hosting plans to your email accounts and website files. The interface is clean, modern, and designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're new to this. Choosing a hosting plan next, it's time to pick your hosting plan. Hostinger offers different options depending on what kind of project you're building. For example, shared hosting for small websites, cloud hosting for faster performance, and VPS hosting for more control. If you're just starting out, the single web hosting plan is more than enough. But if you want to host multiple sites or get better performance, go for the premium or business plan. Check the plan details carefully. Things like storage, bandwidth, and features vary. Once you've decided, click select. Choose your billing period and complete the payment. Registering a domain name now. Every website needs a domain. That's your web address, like yourname.com. Hostinger makes this easy. Inside your H panel, find the domain section. Use a search bar to find a name that fits your brand or idea. Try to keep it short, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. Once you find one that's available, register it right there. And here's a bonus. Some plans even include a free domain for the first year. Setting up your website after your domain and hosting are ready, it's time to create your website. You can either use Hostinger's website builder, which lets you design your site visually with drag and drop tools, or you can install WordPress with just one click right from your H panel. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to use Hostinger to create and manage your website. No tech skills required. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to make a full walkthrough on customizing your site using Hostinger's website builder or WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.